You have taken a great first step to becoming an Adobe Premiere Pro video editor. Welcome to the course. I'm so excited to have you here. In this video, I want to give you a little bit more information about me and my background so you're comfortable taking this course from me, and then talk about how the course is structured and the course project, which I think will be a fun way for you to learn Premiere Pro. As I mentioned in the promo video, I've edited thousands of videos over the past few years in Premiere Pro. I started editing way back in high school. I studied film production in college, and I focused on the editing and post-production aspect of it. And it was a great decision because I've built a career on editing videos. Some of you might be here because you want to become a professional video editor, but others of you might be here just because you want to learn how to edit your own home videos, or maybe you have a YouTube channel that you're trying to grow, or maybe you're creating your own online courses. Whatever your path is, I welcome you and I'm happy to have you here. You will learn real-world skills with this course. Here's a sample of what you'll be able to do, even if you've never opened up Premiere Pro. After just a couple hours, you'll have edited this film or even made a short documentary with your own footage. But if you don't have any footage, no worries, because I provide all of the sample video, audio, graphics, photos, music, and more for you to use with this class. If you look at the outline for the course, you'll see that it's structured in the way that I would actually edit a project. We'll start by learning how to import and organize our footage. We'll learn the basic editing tools and how to put together a sequence. We'll then add music, learn how to edit audio and make audio sound better. We'll learn how to add transitions and titles and graphics. And finally, once we have a polished piece, we'll learn how to export it, specifically exporting HD files for web. After these lessons, I've included a number of lessons that will give you pro techniques and other tools that you can use within Adobe Premiere for your own projects. Get ready to dive right into Adobe Premiere Pro in the next lesson.